Once upon a time, there was a lovely lady named Grandma Pepper, famous for her magical kitchen where every ingredient had a special power. Her kitchen was filled with colorful jars, shiny bottles, and aromas that made noses dance with joy. One morning, her granddaughter Millie came to visit her. "Grandma, what are we going to cook today?" she asked curiously. Grandma Pepper smiled and opened the jar of winged pancakes. Together, they mixed the special batter using cloud flour, moonlight milk, and a pinch of rainbow dust. As soon as Millie took her first bite, she felt a gentle tingling on her back and transparent wings sprouted. She started flying around the kitchen, laughing and twirling among the pots and pans. Next, they prepared the lime juice. Grandma squeezed poetic oranges while Millie added a few drops of song essence. When they took the first sip, Millie began speaking in rhymes. "What a delicious little juice! It makes me feel light like a goose," Grandma replied, laughing. "Oh, what a charming drink, with such flavors that make me think." But suddenly, the magical salt shaker sneezed a cloud of mischief dust. Everything began speaking in rhymes: the stove, the spoon, and even the cat Molly. To solve the chaos, Grandma Pepper grabbed the book of enchanted recipes. "Let's make the calm tea." They used mint leaves from the whispering garden and honey from a singing bee. After drinking the tea, the rhyming stopped, and the kitchen returned to normal. Millie hugged Grandma. "This kitchen really is magical, Grandma. What will we cook tomorrow?" Grandma winked and said, "Maybe some giggling cookies or a soup of adventures?" And so, between laughter and wonders, Millie learned that the sweetest magic was cooking with love and imagination right by her dear Grandma Pepper's side.